So we lost previous record.
Okay, no problem. Rashidadek. Ainda. Di ka re. Ka. Nga. Cha. Ta.
Cha. Ta.
Ha. Na.
Na.
Pa.
Pa.
Pa. Pa.
Pa.
Pa. Ma.
Ma. Ma.
Di. Ha.
Ya.
Ya. Yagulau song. Di. Ra.
La.
Me. Rua. La.
La.
Sa.
Sa.
Sa. Ha.
Ha.
Ha. Oh yeah. Ha.
So we have a difference between green and blue, right?
Yes, yes. So blue will be, so here it like this. Ka. Ka. Na. So green will be a little bit lower than the blue.
Ka.
Like this.
But same thing with aspiration, right?
Yes, yes. Same thing with the aspiration. Na is a little lower if we go detail. But right now, think of it as a little bit soft and lower. Peaceful is category. And in grammar text, we call them female. Okay? Like this. That's why soft, low, and peaceful. Like that. Okay.
That's the blue one?
Yes. So blue one is more female. Nga, shindu more, very female. Like nga, soft, like this. Okay? That's in the grammar book. But right now, think of it as a category. That's enough. Okay? We have 3 sounds, right? Ha, okay. So today let's introduce this category. We have ka, okay? Please write down and say it with the same time. Ka, ka,
Ka. 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 Ka.
Okay. Ka.
Ka. Ka.
Okay. Okay. Now here a little bit tricky. Usually this is we read as pa, right? Then when it's the second syllable, then you read this as wa, like this. Okay? When it's second syllable. Okay, for example.
You mean when there's a prefix, right?
There is no prefix or suffix. For example, if I say son ja, son is one, ja is one, right? So when the pa is the second syllable, you read this as wa. Okay?
Can you write the example, Tenzin?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
So I will show you here.
Same like we know, like they washing.
For example, this word pa, 나로 포와, 포와. I won't say popa. I will say powa like this. Okay? Because here pa is the second syllable. That's why it's powa. Powa. Powa.
Okay. I have one question.
Yes.
So here you can see the word is separated with this circle as opposed to this little triangle, right?
Yes, yes.
But in some other texts that I saw, then it's never these little circles.
Yes, yes.
So how do we know when the word starts and ends there?
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
there other?
These circle are usually not in the Tibetan text. Here, this is same as tek, and this circle is just easy to make you divide when reading. Di powa re like this. Okay, it's just an
Yeah.
indicator for beginning learners.
Okay, but when it's not there, then it's just not easy anymore. Or are there other ways where we can see where it's a new word starts?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So here pova means what?
Powa di powa re di.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Re.
Okay, so pova is stomach. Okay.
Re. Di
Re.
powa re.
Pova re.
Di kare re. Di powa re.
Pova re.
Okay. And di kawa re. De kawa. There are a lot of kawa here. Kawa.
Pillars or columns?
Kagi. Column, pillar.
Pillars. Okay. Kawa is pillars. Okay.
Right. Kawa, not kawa.
Kawa.
Okay.
Kawa.
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 Yeah, and
Pillars.
di inda. Sonjala. Di karere.
Di poare.
Di poare. Yagulapsong. Sokil hamula inda. Di karere.
Di kaware.
Kaware. Yagulapsong. Okay. Hakosuna. Di poare. Di kaware. That's all. Okay. There. Okay. Ka. Pa. Okay. This second letter pa is ha category. Okay. The upper letter ka a category. Okay. Okay. So before we learn, there are letters on the top, right? So on the top, we have only 3 types. Lango, Sango, Rango. Okay? Only these three, La, Sa, and Ra, will be on the top of the alphabet. Not more than this. Okay? Rango, Lango, Sango. Okay? So on the bottom, we already learned Ratak, right? This one. Ratak.
Tenzila,
Yes, please.
why do you say lango and not langa in this case?
Okay.
Because it's a superscript?
Now we already learned go, head, right? Go.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I'm saying. La head, sa head, ra head.
Oh, okay. So not that specific
No. So that's how
letter.
we say in Tibetan language. We call them lango, sango, rango, like this. Okay.
So if you write it, it would be the first one, you'd put a naro on top
No.
to say lango. How do you write it?
Okay. 1 minute. La, ma, ka, naro, go. Lango. Like this.
Lango. Okay.
Lango, sango, rango. Okay? Like this. So on the top, we have only 3 types of letter. La, sa, and ra. Okay? So it's lago or sango or rago. Okay? Like this. Okay. So on the bottom, we already learned ratak, right? Ratak, which is look like this. Right? For example, ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak. Ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Tra, tra, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Ka, ratak, tra. Okay, so in the bottom we learned before ratak. Okay, like this. So today I will introduce new bottom letter, which is yatak. Okay, we call them yatak. Ya, pa, ta, ka, sa, tak, yatak. And it looks like this. Okay. Di yatak re. Yatak. Okay. If I show you the example, then let's learn how it sounds when we attach it. Okay. For example, we just learned this letter, right? Ka. Ka. Yatak. Kya. Kya. Okay. You may hear in some region they say cha, cha. But I would like to suggest let's learn it as a kya. Okay. Ka yatak kya. Ka yatak kya. Kya. Ka yatak kya. Like this. Okay. So you may hear different pronunciation like ka, yata, cha. But I would like to us to learn this pronunciation. Okay? There is no right or wrong pronunciation, I would like to say. But let's learn this one with me. Okay? Oh yeah.
Kya.
Ka yata kya. Ka yata kya. Ka yata kya. Like this. Okay?
So, Tensila, the first two are high sounds and the last one is the low sound, right?
Very, very. The kya category.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
Lasso, lasso.
kya ha
Yeah.
category.
Yeah.
The kya
Yeah.
ha category.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
Lasso. Okay. Ka yata kya. Ka yata kya. Like this. So we know these two doesn't change sound because it's a and ha category. That's why when there is a prefix or letter on the top, the sound remain same. Okay? But category changes. For example, this ka yata kya will become gya, gya because of the prefix or letter on the top. For example, ra khata ga yata gya, like this. Okay? So we can see the effect is always same.
But the ka yadak is kya. It's not gya.
Really. The
Okay.
ka yata kya re. The gya re. Kya. Gya. Kya. Gya.
Can you respell again? Sound again. Ra khata.
Ra khata ga yata gya.
But first is but, right?
Mare. Ra khata ga. Ga.
G. G.
Because from kha to g, it became
Yeah. Ra
g.
khata g.
Then yatak.
Yatak. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it makes sense. Thank you.
No problem, please. Okay, so it will come again and again, okay? But today I'm just introducing this new bottom letter, yatak, yatak, okay? Yeah. Okay? So, ka, yatak, kya, kiku, ki. Ka, yatak, kya, shakyu, kyu. Like this. Okay. Ka yata kya naru kyo, like this. Ka yata kya dengpo ke, like this. Okay. Ka yata kya kiku ki. For example, we say ki to whoa, 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 that animal. Okay. So ka yata kya shakyu kyu, like this. Ka yata kya dengpo ke. Ka yata kya naru kyo, like this. So when you practice like this. Okay. Put the vowel kiku shakyu dengpo naru. Try to say it. Okay. Like this. Okay. So let's go to the here. Okay. So we know ratak already, right? Ratak. Now yatak. Okay. There. Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Ka ratak tra. Here. Ka yatak kya.
Yeah.
Ka yatak kya. Ka.
Karata kya.
Yeah.
Ka yatak
Kya.
Okay. Please enjoy.
Mesmerizing language.
Okay. That's so. That's it. So now we know true pronoun already. For third person, kong. For yourself, you say nga, right? Now, for the second person, you can call it ka yata kya denpo ke tha ke ra nga rang kerang kerang. Okay. Ka yata kya denpo ke tha ke ra nga rang kerang. Okay. So kerang, you, right? Nga, nga, I, kong, he, she, them, they, everyone. Okay.
Kerang is he, she, you, them?
No, kerang is just you for second person.
Okay.
Okay. So kong is for third person, no gender. Nga for yourself. Nga. For example, nga tenzin yin, like this. Kong sonja re, like this. Okay. So kerang here. Okay. Now we already know. Why it is stuck here? Okay. We already know Kong Sure, right? Who is he or she, right? Kong Sure, like this. Now instead of Kong, I can use Kerang Suyin. Okay. Who are you?
Kerang Suyin.
So
Kerang.
here K means you or he or third person.
Yes. Kerang. No, it's a
Third-
second person. You.
Third person.
No, second person. If I'm
Second
talking
person.
to you will be the second person, right?
I see. Okay. Kerang. Okay? Kerang Suyin.
And Kerang Kane Yin or Kane Re.
Okay. Kerang Khanere.
Or
Kerang Suyin. Kerang Khanere. Kayin.
Or Kerang Kane Yin.
Kerang Suyin. Kerang Khanere.
That's it. So let's practice. Yeah, Yen Hong
Okay.
Line. Can you ask this question for me?
Kerang Suyin.
Nga Tenzin Yin. Can you ask this one?
Kerang Kaning.
Nga Pöne Yin. Just like that. Okay. Now if I ask you, Kerang Suyin.
Nga Yen Hong Yin.
Kerang Kane Yin.
Nga Taiwan Ne Yin.
That's it. Okay. Oh, and Claire Linda, can you ask me this question?
Kerang Suyin.
Tenzin Yin. Like this. Nidhi?
Me?
Kerang Kane Yin. You can ask me that.
Okay. Kerang Kanayin.
Nga Pöne Yin. Like this. Okay. Now if I ask, Jekla, if I ask you, Kerang Suyin.
Nga Jakian.
Kerang Kane Yin.
Nga England Nahian.
That's it. Yagulakson. Okay. Yeah. Marcelo Lainda. Kerang Suyin.
Na Marcelo Yin.
Kerang Kane Yin.
Na Brasil Ne Yin.
Okay. Yagulakson. Yeah, Chogel Hamula Inda. Chogel Hamula. Kerang Suyin.
Nga Sokyo Hwamuyin.
Kerang Kane Yin.
Nga Thailand Neyin.
Okay. Yagulakson. Yeah. 아니, 디인다. 빵빵라인다. 빵빵라. 빵빵라. 계란 수인.
Nga Fang Yin.
계란 가네인.
Nga Thailand Ne Yin.
그래요. Okay. That's it. If I didn't call the name, it's not because I don't want to, okay? It's just, I'm randomly calling, okay? Please You can, when I not call, you can think and practice, say it yourself. Okay? Like this. So today we know this one. Okay? Kerang suyin. Kerang kaneyin. And we know kong sure. Kong kanere. Okay? Okay, that's.
Yanhua,
Yes.
how to you?
Labruna.
You show us the material from the site Arapatsa. Please explain, what does it mean, Arapatsa?
That's a mantra. Om Arapatsa na di 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 di. That's one. Okay. Om Arapatsa na di 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 re. And yes, I cannot describe more than this right now. Thank you. Hola, so. Yeah, McGregor la in the McGregor la. McGregor la di kharere.
Di kya re.
Di kya rebe.
Di kya mare.
Okay. Then Nyurmala in the Nyurmala di kharere.
Di kya re.
Kya.
Kya.
Kya. More air coming out. Okay.
Okay. Kya.
Di kya repeat. Nyurmala di kya repeat.
Di kya mare.
Yahoo song. Together. Allah so. Olas. Di hakosong ka ratak chare. Ta in the Marcelo la in the di karere.
Di kya re.
Re di kya re. Yahoo song. Okay. Yeah, Sonjala in the Sonjala. Kong Sure.
Di Buddha Shakyamuni re.
Kong Shakyamuni re. You can say. Okay. Kong.
Okay. Kong. Yeah.
Right. Kong Kanere.
Kong India nere.
That's it. Yavulapsa. Okay. That's so. Wangmola and the Wangmola. Kong Sure. Wangmola Yube. Ale Wangmola Mindu. Yeah, Tsogel Hamula in the Kong Sure.
Sangere.
Kong Kanere.
Kong Indianere.
Indianere. Okay. Now, we can write this down. Sa, nga, sa, sang. Ra, kata, ga, yatagya sa ge sange. For any Buddha, any enlightened people, sange. Okay.
Tensenla, can you highlight it or enlarge it? It's not very clear from here. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yes. Sa nga sa sang ra kata ga yata gya sa ge. Okay, sange. Kong sange re. Kong gyakar ne re or India ne re, like this. So that's not that's just we are practicing. Okay.
Can you read this again? Sa nga sa
Sa nga sa sang, like this. We can hear when I say sang, the main sound is sa. So there is two suffix we can see. Okay. Sa nga sa sang. Ra kata ga yata gya sa ge sange. Re. Kong sange re. Okay. So sange is any enlightened people, you can call them sange. Whoever it is, wherever it is. Okay, because sang meaning free from all sorrow, ge is conquered all the wisdom. Okay, so something like that you can call sangye. Okay.
Sorry, Tenzin, what did you say gay means?
Gay means victory. You conquered all the wisdom. Okay.
Thank you.
Like this. Okay.
Could you repeat how you get the gie sound at the end?
Yes. Ra
Ra
ga
ga
yata gya sa ge. Right? When the suffix is or tha, it makes a sound, right? So gya and sa ge, like this.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Sangye. Okay. You may hear sangje. That's from my village come pronunciation. Okay. But
Okay. Yeah.
So sangye. Okay.
So both sangye and sangye is okay.
Yes. Any pronunciation is okay.
Okay.
But right now, I would like to teach you this as ge. Okay, ra, kata ga, yata gya, sa ge. Sangye. Oh yeah. Kong sangye re. Okay. Okay. Kong khane re, kong gyakar ne re. Okay. Gyakar, India re. Ra khatagga yatagya kha ra khar gyakar. Gyakar ne re. Kong gyakar ne re.
interesting. How was the name of the country at that time? It was not India, right?
Sorry?
Sangir Sakyatupa lived so many years ago. The country not named India at that time, right?
Yes, yes. At that time, Bharat. But yes, we are just learning here language. This is not, I wouldn't say this is real, okay? Yes. So that's
So Yakhar means what?
India re, Kyakar.
Okay.
Or we can
Okay.
say Bharat, Bharat. In ancient time, they call it Bharat.
Okay.
India is.
Tenzin, would you like to type this name?
Which one? This
Bharat,
one?
please. Bharat.
Okay, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't know in Tibetan, but I will.
Anyway, please.
So it's not ba, it's pa with a little bit ha aspiration there. Bharat, like this. Okay. So you can see in Hindi we have pa, soft, right? Like this. Bharat. Okay. Gyakhar. 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 Okay. So that's it for today. I would like to stop here. And today we learned Kerang, okay? And new bottom letter Yatak. Please practice it. Okay, Kerang Suyin. Nga Tenzin Yin. Kerang Kanin. Nga Penin. Like this. Okay. Kong Sure. Kong Yen Hong Re. Kong Kane Re. Kong Taiwan Ne Re. Like this. Okay. So that's it for today. Tashi Delek, Tujiche. And
Thank you.
Thank you, Tenzin.
Tujiche. Lasso, Tujiche, Tashi Delek.